Hey everyone, this is Manvi Singh. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in Lexington Company. So the topic is women human right during trial. It is generally believed that the criminal law is gender based. To certain extent, it true in the process of its evolution. It appears that the criminal law system has kept reasonable man in the view as its base shift unit, and it must be evident the form from the represents and practice also. Even today, the reasonable man grab also the mind of the judges while appraising the evidence or while evaluating the conduct of the accused and toward victim. The reasonable man standard came out be accepted or by our districts by the criminal law probably in its anxiety to achieve objective, but at the time the law is not in position to achieve objective as the objective criteria gets submerged by the subjective criteria to the individual judges. Working women are paid lesser in comparison to their male counterpart for the same similar work. In the name of the traditional restriction for the superior of their own families are very often imposed on their freedom of the movement. So though many such cases go unreported, there is no death of the heinous crime being reported every day from different part of the country. Information of the female infanticides and rarely leak out the four walls of the female concerns. Unfortunately, the killers in such cases are generally none of else than guardian or close relatives of the fantasides. Incidents of honor killing or dowry death cannot be lost signs of the. It is also be worth mentioned that the sexual harassment of the working women at their place of work has considerably and increased, and the irony is far from doing justice. The male worker very often argue that the women facing such sexual harassment are often sensitive. So now the provision under Code of Criminal Procedure arrest the criminal procedure justice process has to be dealt with the citizens at several stages. The arrest is first stage as the stage the freedom of citizen restraints to safeguard the public the interest and different purpose of the served by the arrest person. Different purpose by the served arrest person, sometimes it saves from the retaliation assault from the public. Now the crime, and surely the help is to be presented before the appropriate courts to stand trial. It is to serve the third purpose that is usually suspected is arrest by the police, and while under arrest the arrest person lost freedom by his normal life in the family. As a consequence of arrest, he is generally accused of having deviated from the normal behavior. Now the crime against women. Crime against women are the under the Indian Penal Code are as follows: rape section 375, 76, 76A, 76B, 76C, 76D, 76E, the Indian Penal Code, and 69. The kidnapping, abduction from for different purpose, section 36 to section 3 69. 369, the Penal Code, the murder, dowry, death, abet of society, section 302, 304B, 306, the Penal Code, cruelty by husband or relative of husband, outraging the modesty of woman of 70, molestation, insult to modest of women, sexual harassment, section 509 to 294 of the Indian Penal Code 71, of voluntarily causing the grievous hurt by throwing acid, section 326A and section 326B of the Indian Penal Code. Now the offences relating to marriage, section 493 to 498 Indian Penal Code, and of the causing miscarriage and injury to unborn child, section 312 to 318. Offence against women under the IPC. In recent year, the global campaign for the elimination of the violence against the women indicates the enormity as well as the serious of the equicities through the indifferent form of rape throughout the world is surely sign that is universal phenomenon. It is observed that the Indian women affect of the changes in style while gaps in living standard in disparities economy decreasing social boundaries due to the rapid urbanization, changes in social ethos, like lack of concern of moral disrespect of for traditional norms are being manifestations disrespect of at the time of violence towards the women. Now the sentences, the idea of sentences is the most crucial aspect of the criminal justice system. It reflects the course of the criminal justice model in a given condition that the reflect at the study of sentences goes further and various condition manifested in the penal policy and suggests as to what the standard taken be majorly criminal liability. Need for the protection of women, the cruelty, the culture, history, and the various religion texts from the ancient Indian reveals the status of women from the ancient era. Theoretically, women were given to the status of the goddess and we will all be respected like a goddess, but in the last few centuries the status of women changed and gradually distorted by due to the paradoxic statement in the religious is pictured by the medieval past society from a global perspective. Crime against the woman occur every minute within 1 in 3 women. Now the conclusion. Discrimination against women is a glare in society and inheritance as well as in the legal system. We commit such offences both consciously and subconsciously, pointing out that those discrimination committed against women is most important part of that such research awareness of the shortcoming will be helpful in changing in the all part of mindsets of society. In providing justice of women, restorative justice has been properly implemented and fortified further. For this only enactment of the women specific law and the framing of different compensation scheme is not sufficient. Proper care has to be taken for its implementation unless the judicial and the administrative machinery upon the whom rests of bulk of responsibilities and the implementation is profiled, bribed and oriented, success will remain a distant dream. So guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much listening me. Like, comment and share.